Look at that. Isn't she lovely? You've got to give credit to whoever done that, haven't you? Because it is very nice, isn't it? Even down to the manifolds and the exhaust there. Look at that. They're all coloured up nicely, look.
This 1600E is a showstopper. A stunner with a boot full of prizes to prove it.
Cortina, she's lovely, isn't she? Yeah, what a lovely car. To be honest, I do agree with the owner, the vendor. He said it must be one of the best in the UK, I think, Dave, and yeah, it is. How can you say no to what is arguably one of the nicest Mark IIs in the country? I mean, only a fool would say no, wouldn't they, really? And what we're finding now, more and more people want to buy as nice a car as they possibly can. They want to buy it today. They want to go to a show next Sunday. So, if you want one of the nicest and you want to go to a show next Sunday, it's there, isn't it? Yeah, and stand there with it like that, with a big grin, like that. Yeah, and someone says, "Is it yours?" Lovely, isn't it? There's always somebody for a really nice car. You are never stuck with a really nice car. It'll do very well, it'll cause an awful lot of interest, and we'll see where we end up money-wise, won't we? Personally, I'm thinking mid-20s.
Lot number 123, 1970, Ford Cortina Mark II 1600E. Wow, this has caused a bit of interest, Mick. Where are you going to be then? 10, 10, 5, 11, 5, 12, 12, 5, 13, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, I told you, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25.
26, 27, 28. Oh, we're cooking now, look.
£28,000, 29, 30,000, 31, 31, 31,000, 33, 32, 3, 33, just beat him out, sorry, 34, 34 this side, and going
35 with us.
On the side of the way, 35,000.
There's only two of us bidding now, so.
35, Alan's phone, 38 with Mark.
39 now.
Alan, you're out, Mark's a bid of 38,
39
39.
with us.
39.
Think he's out. Think he's out.
39.
He's out.
39,000. Third and last time, Alan's phone,
Get
39.
it down, get it down. Yep.
Well done.
39,000, well done, you've got it. She's yours.
A wise woman once said, some cars have got it and some haven't. Funny old business.
I always fancied it, getting another one. And I was always looking until Mathewsons sent me the auction details, had a look at it. I said, yeah, that's the one. I'm buying this one. I need this one, it's mine.
There is a good reason George Robertson paid a lot for his stunning Cortina. You can see the first one, and we will eventually get to the other one.
Every nut and bolt's been taken off this car. Every panel, every hinge, bracket, chrome work, from the engine, the gearbox, a new prop shaft. It's basically a new car. I love the road style wheels. They're original. They're just beautiful. New chrome, new bumpers, new grille. Let's see this door close. Lovely. I mean, even this, these are all new. Even these bonnet catches. New regulator box, solenoid, new coil, dynamo, new radiator. That's actually better than the new car, better than when they made it in 1970. Even the respray, it's fantastic.
George's first 1600E played a big part in a true life drama of teenage love, starring future wife Alison and a ballroom blitz at Dunblane Disco.
It's a bit tighter than the one I had.
Yeah, that's very true.
There was a discotheque in the Dunblane Hydro. I'm used to going there every Saturday night, and I said, I quite fancy her. At the end of the night, I asked, I've got to build up the courage to ask her if I could take her home, because she lived a couple of miles away. She said yes.
Well, we went out of the Hydro Disco where we where we actually met, and we walked out and there was no car.
And I said to Alison at the time, I said, "Oh, my car's been stolen."
And I said, "I think you're having a joke here. I don't think you've even got a bike." So I just took off and left him standing there. I never spoke to him again for a good few months, but I had found out through the grapevine, there's a small town, that a car had been found up in Sheriffmuir on bricks with the wheels off.
I just bought 4 new tyres on the Friday, and I always remember they're £13 each, these radial tyres. And it was most of my wages at the time for 4 tyres. I was sick. I love driving it. The looks you get, the waves you get, everybody notices this car come along the road. I'd go as far as say that's the best Mark II in Britain. Yeah, not in this country, because I don't think there's many in Scotland. still in one piece.